3:53 in the morning. Time to leave for Mozambique.
So we've just walked through the border into Mozambique. Practically just
a process and a half. Don't come this way.
Yeah, don't come this way. However,
if you can fly.
If you can fly, but we just walked across the border and now we are in Mozambique.
A different country.
It's pretty great. And now we need to decide how we're going to get to where we're going to get to.
Yeah.
There's 3 choices.
So, to give you some context about this trip, it was my 30th birthday the other day, so I decided to invite a few friends, and off we go to Mozambique, the south of Mozambique, which is a little place called Ponta de Oura, really beautiful. And I thought it would be a great trip for everyone and that I would film the whole thing. Little did I know that trying to film a video or a travel video when there's like 8 people around and I'm trying to be in the moment as well as capture the moment, it made for some very difficult times to film. So I didn't film as much as I wanted to, but I did film some, and this is a little bit of what I filmed for that trip. First and foremost, we went to the beach as much as we could. When you saw that, our accommodation was about 400 meters, probably like 200 meters away from the beach. And yes, in the video you saw that was like complete white sands, untouched beach. It was exactly like that. It was a complete like private beach for just us. I mean, there were rarely like 2 people there also, and it was like 27 degrees the water, so it was really warm. You could swim forever and it was amazing. The second thing we did, well, Michaela had organized, well, she really wanted to swim with dolphins, and there were these dolphin excursions, and you get on a boat and you go swim with the dolphins. So we were all very keen for this. I mean, swimming with dolphins, snorkeling with dolphins sounds like an amazing thing. Let's all get involved. We found the place, we booked our slot, we woke up at like 6 o'clock in the morning to go swim with the dolphins. And basically it was a lovely morning. However, there were no dolphins seen, but there was a turtle and some great snorkeling was had.
Going on a boat. Are you ready for the boat? Let's get wrecked.
So with every trip to the beach within the summer season, I mean, there's always this chance of there rain. And I guess that's one of the reasons why I also call this a travel video fail, because probably like 50% of the time we had overcast and then the one day it actually rained. And of course, when traveling in Africa, I mean, you have to do your grocery shopping. And where else to do your grocery shopping than at the local market? About 800 meters away from our place. Let's tell you that there was no tar roads in this area. I mean, you had to have a 4x4. If you don't have a 4x4, you would not get to Ponta de Oura. So if you plan on going there, that is a prerequisite. We mission to the market quite a bit, and African markets are always make for exciting times. Fresh produce, some fresh seafood, some chaos, left, right, people get lost, people go in back alleys. Just lots of fun and just a good old vibe. I mean, I'd suggest everyone to go to an African market at some stage, and you'll realize it's not all that bad, and it's actually quite productive. I mean, you find some great, fresh everything there. Much better than our supermarkets.
Ponta is the name of a dance we do down Johannesburg way.
Says nuclear toaster house party. What do you think?
Yeah, place to be.
Place to be. We're going to the nuclear toaster tonight.
And everybody.
Coconut. Coconut. Mmm. Phenomenal.
Starts to move as soon as Ponta starts to play.
What trip to the sea is not a trip to the sea without long walks on the beach? So our accommodation was probably like 4.1 kilometers. I think it was exactly 4.1 kilometers from Ponta de Oura, the main city, and town. And we decided one day to take a lovely walk down the sands to do our grocery shopping. I mean, it might sound obscene, but it was a lovely walk. A little bit of rain, lots and lots of crabs. I mean, there was some lovely scenery, and then there's just these dogs. And it's like stray dogs, but they're really in good condition. And they just like kind of jump on you, and well, not jump on you, but just like tag along and just play along like the 4Ks. I mean, they walked all the way to our chalet from the town. And it was just a nice relaxing walk. I mean, when you can see the weather was overcast. And what else way to spend it by walking on the beach?